There are certain dishes that define us. After all, food is at the heart of family memories and traditions. Well, this recipe is a signature of my next guest. Straight from her reputable kitchen to our hungry hearts, Marguerite Henderson is joining me in the kitchen. What is that? That looks amazing.
Okay, it's called chicken alla Cucina.
Okay.
And it is so easy to make. You can make this whole dish for under $10.
Under 10 bucks?
So I buy my chicken at my favorite big store.
Costco.
And I buy it in the packages of 12, right?
Yeah.
And then I cut off what I need and freeze those packages and then take out 2 at a time.
Okay, smart.
So this is the boneless, skinless chicken breast. 1 onion, about 2 tablespoons of garlic. Whoops.
It smells good in here, I'm just saying.
So this is about 2 pounds of chicken breast, so it's about a pound per breast, right? So I'm just going to cook this up. I'm going to kind of speed this up a little bit. So it's chicken with artichoke hearts, and I love artichokes.
I do too.
And so I buy them at another one of my favorite stores.
TJ's.
Yep. I don't use the canned ones. I just find them a little too tinny.
Okay, you taste that.
Yeah, and I definitely don't use the marinated ones.
If someone doesn't have a Trader Joe's accessible, is that available in the
yes, in the regular
refrigerator section?
Yeah,
okay.
Yeah. Or use the canned ones. I mean, but whatever.
Well, we can't now that you've told us it tastes tinny. We won't taste anything but that.
No, but this is my favorite. I mean, if you have to use them, those are my favorite.
Yeah.
So you want to brown up about 1.5 to 2 pounds of chicken with some onions and garlic, olive oil, and a little bit of butter, okay? And then...
Olive oil and butter. We're going for it.
Yeah, we're going for it. And then when that gets a little brown, we're gonna speed up the cooking here. We add the artichoke hearts.
And these just need to be heated through, right? They're
already cooked.
Yeah.
And I don't know, my grandkids love artichokes.
I was just going to say that. I think this is a food that we, might not think to put past the kids, but it's not texturous. It's not, they're going to be fine with it.
Yeah, they love it.
Because your granddaughters have an elevated palate, let's be honest. They aren't eating what my kids are eating Monday through Friday.
Well, and then they love the whole artichokes where they just peel off.
Of course they do. They're refined.
Anyway.
Yeah.
So we're going to add that. And then we're going to make a sauce out of this,
okay.
Right?
Right in this same dish?
Right in the same dish.
Okay.
Everything is this is a one-pot meal.
Hello.
And I'm going to add about 2 teaspoons of flour.
And that becomes like your thickener for the sauce, or what?
This is going to be the thickener. And then I'm using chicken breast, again from Trader Joe's. Or you can make your own or whatever, but about 3 cups. So basically you're cooking this and making what they call a roux,
This is why I love you. The options were Trader Joe's or Meet Your Own, and I'm like, what about Swanson? What about Swanson?
Oh yes, yeah, that's fine.
Okay, it's gonna take us down just a little bit.
No, Swanson's is good.
Fine.
It's rated up there.
All right.
Okay, so we're gonna cook that. We're gonna let it thicken, and then we're gonna add some seasoning. So again,
what is this? Trader Joe's. Guess I know where I'm going grocery shopping this week.
So I love these.
Are those the dried tomatoes?
Right, the julienne dried tomatoes.
Yum.
Now, I love them because they're colorful, they're flavorful. If you don't want to use these, you can use these. I love these little mini tomatoes too. I take these and cut them in half, mix them with garlic and olive oil and roast them for about 5 minutes and then put them over burrata.
Oh, yum.
And then some basil leaves.
I caught Penny with those. I bought them for a pasta dish that I ended up not making, and she was popping them in, like candy. She goes, these don't taste like the normal raspberries, but they taste good. And I'm like, keep going, Penny girl, keep going. Yeah.
Okay, and then we're going to just finish up with basil and oregano.
If you tell me that's it, I'm going to have a fit.
Well,
almost.
Basil, yeah.
Oh my gosh,
much.
Fantastic.
And then salt and pepper.
Okay, girlfriend.
And
I see some beautiful corn in there too.
No.
You didn't put corn in there? Oh, it's pasta. Sorry, it's pasta.
And so that's the pasta.
It's the cute kind of pasta.
Yeah,
it's the curly.
Again, I got this at Trader Joe's. But here's the other thing you can do. Is if you like couscous, you could put it over couscous.
Okay.
Or linguine or spaghetti or whatever you want to do.
Okay.
So it's thickening up.
Fantastic. And this is called again, say it again.
Chicken alla Cucina, because we used to make this at Cucina every day.
Which was a beloved restaurant.
It's still there. It's just not what we had, which was a deli kind of place.
Yeah.
And then we would put it over pasta,
Yum.
whatever the choice of the kitchen was.
Yeah.
And people would buy it by the pound. And it was a big seller. It's so easy. It's so delicious.
I will be making this, Marguerite.
You know what? It's so healthy.
Healthy.
And cheap.
It checks every box that we could put on the kitchen counter, right?
And it
Check, check, check.
Smells like
Yeah,
Italy.
this is divine. I wasn't hungry until I stepped into your bubble, and that's usually how it happens.
So
and now
this
I'm
would
starving.
probably serve 4 with 2 pounds of chicken,
That
4 to
works.
6,
All right.
depending how many kids you have.
Thank you so much. She so
Okay.
graciously shared this recipe with us. Where can we get more recipes from you?
Okay, you can go to Mangia Bene 801 on Instagram, and it's in my first cookbook.
Oh, is it?
Yes, this recipe is in my first
Oh,
one.
yeah, I have
Saving
that one.
Memories.
Yep.
If you want to get a hold of me, you can contact me through my Instagram, and I can ship you out a book.
I love it because you need that book. That's a classic. That's
It
a
is.
goodie.
It's on my 3rd printing, so
That's
it's a
amazing.
big seller.
You're a legend, sister. You really are.
Thanks.
And I love when you do your restaurant reviews on your Instagram.
Oh, yeah.
I love when you do that. Tell
There's
me
a-
where to go. Tell me what to order. Tell me what
There's
to
a new
do.
one coming up. I'm
Really?
going next week. Yeah, I'll have
Okay.
to go.
She tells us what to eat. She helps us eat. We love her for all of it. Thank you so much. Good to see you.